Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today, I'm going to be talking about a topic that's been on my mind a lot lately. Is Gemini safer in Coinbase? I know that a lot of people are interested in this topic, so I wanted to take some time to break it down and give you my honest opinion. Before I get into the specifics, I want to take a step back and talk about the importance of security when it comes to cryptocurrency. Cryptocurrency is a relatively new asset class, and as such, it's still developing. This means that there are a number of risks associated with it, including security risks. One of the most important things you can do to protect yourself from these risks is to choose a reputable exchange or wallet to store your cryptocurrency. So, is Gemini safer in Coinbase? The short answer is yes. Gemini is one of the most reputable cryptocurrency exchanges in the world. They have a strong track record of security and have implemented a number of measures to protect their users' assets. Here are some of the reasons why Gemini is safer in Coinbase. Gemini is a regulated exchange. This means that they are subject to a number of regulations and oversight, which helps to ensure that they are operating in a safe and responsible manner. Gemini has a strong security team. They have a team of experts who are dedicated to protecting their users' assets. Gemini uses a number of security measures, such as two-factor authentication and cold storage, to protect their users' assets. Gemini has a good track record of security. They have not had any major security breaches in their history. Of course, there is always a risk when it comes to storing cryptocurrency. However, I believe that Gemini is one of the safest places to store your cryptocurrency. In addition to the safety benefits, Gemini also offers a number of other advantages. For example, they have a wide range of supported cryptocurrencies, and they offer competitive fees. Overall, I believe that Gemini is a great choice for anyone who is looking for a safe and reliable place to store their cryptocurrency. If you're still not sure whether or not Gemini is the right choice for you, I encourage you to do your own research. There are a number of resources available online that can help you make an informed decision. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, stay safe and happy. I hope you enjoyed this video about Gemini's safety in Coinbase. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. I also encourage you to leave a comment below and let me know what you think about the topic. Here are some additional points that you could include in your script. You could talk about the different types of security risks that are associated with cryptocurrency. You could discuss the importance of diversifying your portfolio. You could provide tips on how to stay safe when using cryptocurrency. I hope this helps. Gemini website: https://www.gemini.com. Coinbase website: https://www.coinbase.com. Cryptocurrency security tips: invalid URL removed.